Hi everyone, this is George, back with another video saying thank you to all my subscribers for getting me up to 136 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and for supporting my channel. And now this is the car I'm going to review right after the intro. Welcome back. And this fantastic car came with 18 battery, with a Tamiya connector, and also came with a handset, and is a 24 hertz handset. And now I'm going to show you right in the car. Take the body shell off this car. It's a bit tricky to take this off, but you have to just lift it up from this side here. It'll come off, and then you've got the cable for the lights. You know, for the lights, you just hold it from there. You just pull it there like that. It'll come off. I'll put it to one side. Yeah, is that right? Okay. Alright, put it there. And then here it is. There's the battery. We've got another battery in here as well. And then it's already got the connector's already connected as well. And here's a speed controller, and here's the receiver tray, and it's all sealed, waterproof, and it's waterproof, I think to say as well, the waterproof steering servo as well. And it's got shock absorbers, springs, and the on-off switch here on the side of the back of the car as well. So, and it's got very four-wheel drive diffs, transmission things as well, and locking diff as well, locking transmission, so it locks so it doesn't move forward very well, so it doesn't roll, but it's just that it will roll when you turn it on, perhaps, you know. So okay, that's it. Okay, about this car, it's got great ground clearance and also very good suspension as well, front and rear suspension. You know, it can go, these tyres can very grippy. They can go over over rocks and get up a very steep hill as well, and steep. That's it. Okay. This car came with this this motor, this 540 motor, but it was pretty good. But then I wanted to upgrade it to a much more faster motor, so that's why I upgraded it to the Traxxas 12T motor, and I didn't change the speed controller and also the batteries yet, but then it's much more quicker and much more faster as well, so it's great. So okay, let's see this car in action. One thing I want to tell you is, if you want to upgrade this motor to a new one, always make sure your motor spins the right way of this one as well, and that's so you don't go backwards. And you know, okay, that's it. Okay, we're going to put this back together again, alright? So, right, this is the connector for the light. It's connected to the receiver tray, and then here is the cable. It's a bit tricky to put this body shell on and holding it, because it's very heavy, this body shell, so you have to also get down and find the thing, also connect it up with the connector. So make sure you have the red and black matching the connector. Don't worry about the white one, it's only just there for a show, and you know. And then just tuck it in somewhere safe so it doesn't get wrapped around something, you know. Okay. And then put the body shell back on. Make sure you find the holes for the body shell. sorry. It's okay. Right, okay. There you go. And then it's connected. Yep. And right. Now I'm going to turn the handset on first. You always have to turn on the handset on first. So I'm going to show a demonstration of the lights working. You don't want it to roll off. Yeah. Right. Okay. Here it goes. Lights are going to come on now. So we've got the fire lights on here on the top. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think must be. We've got these at the front. And also we've got lights at the back as well. See, lights at the back. All 4 lights at the back as well. And a spare tyre as well. That's very good as well if you need a spare tyre. It came with this car as well. In the box as well. Okay. And also you got the bed, cut the stuff, the top for camping stuff, the stuff on the top. Okay, that's it. Alright. Okay. Something I want to tell you about the lights of this 4x4 truck is they're LEDs, and you can use this car in the dark. It's very well bright, and if you use this in October, you can see this very well, and actually as well, it's very good in low darkness, and you can use it very good in the dark. So it's very good as well. So I recommend you should buy this car and have a play with it in the dark. Thank you for watching my video. If you wanted to purchase this car, all you gotta do is there'll be a link in the script in the box down below, and if you click on that, you can go and buy this car. And also, thanks for also watching my video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and the subscribe button until you know when the next video drops. See you next time, and bye.